and you couldn't get it right. Just stay there. Hello, today we'll be unboxing my Apple Store haul. Got a lot of good stuff, right? You can talk, baby. We got the 12-hour Power Beats 3 wireless. Very nice. An Apple Pencil. Very nice. A smart keyboard. Very nice. And finally, we got iPad Pro 2000. No, iPad Pro 10.5 inch Wi-Fi, 64 gigabyte. Don't stop the video. Did you stop it? Now we're going to unbox it again. We just unbagged it. Got the plastic out the way. This is the box. There we go, in rose gold. Very nice. And here it is. There we go. This is the cable. Nobody reads this. Do you read this? Do you read this, baby? Do you read this? My baby's mute. Hello. This is a smart. This is the iPad Pro keyboard, and it's smart. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my God! It's the color I wanted. Just kidding. The only color. It has no stickers. It has a guide though. If you guys want to pause and watch. Alright. Put the keyboard up. This is the keyboard. And it comes out. There we go. Oh, it has a little thingy. There we go. And it doesn't need battery. That's why we like it. We clip it by magnets right here. Connects right on. I like the color. I like the two little. Do you like it? Just kidding. I'm kidding, guys. I don't have a girlfriend. It's a tripod. And the Apple Pencil, finally. That's the most professional. Pull it. Here are one extra pencil head, and a little adapter to transfer from lightning to lightning. Pencil guide. Yes. Yeah, it just says plug it in. Very cool. Here's the pencil. There we go. And this is my pencil. Recording? Okay. Now we're gonna unbox the we're going to unbox this. There it is.
You're wanted.
Okay, they didn't find us. This is what it looks like at the back. We pull this up. We have ear sizes, a case for carrying, which is really soft, and a USB, micro USB. Very cool. This is what, oh, we got the sticker. Yep. Do I look like I'm from the future? No? You have to stand on your elbows.
But my fingers are in. Like that is better than when I'm on my elbows.
Okay.
I'm not kidding.
Am I visible completely, or is it the top of my head?
You're very visible.
Is the top of my head missing like last time?
You want me to take?
Just hold. Are you recording?